In this video we will discuss about how to iterate through the elements of a list. List can be iterated using either a for loop or a while loop. For example, the list demo list contains certain elements separated by comma. For loop is used as for I in demo list. This means I will hold all the value of the list. The print statement prints the values in the list one by one until the end of the loop. For loop is used as for I in range of length of list having index from 1 till 5. This means I will only hold only 4 values from starting of the list. When printed it prints the values as Q, W, E, and R. The print statement prints the values in the list one by one until the end of the loop. Let's test the list iteration using a program. A list named listString is initialized with 9 values as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and I. For statement is added as for X in list string print X. When executed, we can see that all the list values have been printed in order. We can also use the range function to print the complete list or a part of the list. Adding for statement as for X in range using the length of list. Length will give the complete length of the list and the for loop will iterate that many times. Once executed, we can see that it has just printed the index values and not the elements of the array. Making changes to the print statement to also print the list elements separated by colon. When executed again, we can see that now it has printed the index values as well as the list values. We can also use the slicing of the list with the range function. A new for loop is added with the list as 1:5. 1:5 means that the range will be of 4 characters. So, it should print the index values starting from 0, 1, 2, and 3. When executed, we can see that it has printed 4 values starting from index 0. These are some of the ways in which we can iterate through the elements of the list.